This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your environment. Sign in, enable two-factor authentication, and pick or create the graph you'll work in. Once done, install the official extension or desktop app and make sure it reports the latest version. Import one starter graph or create a blank graph named with today's date so you keep organized. This makes later linking predictable. You're now ready to open the graph, access the command palette, and run the first quick capture. Don't skip labeling your initial pages. You now focus on capturing and structuring knowledge. Use the quick capture hotkey or command palette to drop notes instantly. Once you have content, create links using double bracket page syntax and tag ideas with hashtag so you can group related material. Nest blocks under bullets to build hierarchy and use properties for metadata like priority. Hi. Then run queries and filters, date, property, and the backlinks view to surface connections. This step turns scattered notes into a navigable web of ideas. You finish by refining and exporting your work. Tidy pages, apply templates for recurring formats, and set scheduled queries for weekly reviews. Export the graph or selection as Markdown or OPML when you need a backup or to share with others. Make sure to compact or clean unused tags and resolve duplicate pages. If something goes wrong, sync failures, missing blocks, check your network, confirm storage limits, and use force resync or sign out and back. One troubleshooting tip: clear the client cache before re-importing any restored graph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.